President Marcos Sr., the father of this current president, already said that before. 2 years, what, in 1970, so that's older than us, Admar. The father already knew that it will be magnet for attack of the enemies of the United States. So why is this news?
Pumalag na ang China nito, pumalag na rin recently itong Russia at maging siguro yung North Korea na kaibigan din ng Russia at China na kaaway din ng Estados Unidos, syempre.
And ito naman Pilipinas, nakikisama sa gulo, pinalagay pa niya dyan sa... Pinalagay pa ng Pilipinas sa kanyang teritoryo ito mga to. So, what do we expect ng enemies ng United States? What would we expect them to do? Just look at what's going on and turn a blind eye?